To teach, inspire, inform, or educate, we must be heard. Without good audio, the message can be lost. Traditionally, microphones have been a solution, but lavalier microphones aren't always suitable and rely on batteries, which means AV technicians have to keep replacing them. And they get lost easily. Handheld microphones don't allow for freedom of movement with both hands, so some lecturers don't use them, leaving students in silence. There is another way. The beamforming microphone solves all of these issues. Easy to install by Dante via PoE, and with automated volume, noise reduction and speech reinforcement, the beamforming microphone delivers clear audio and a real hands-free lecture experience. This leaves the lecturer free to teach, inspire, inform, educate, and simply just to speak. That's all.